schoolmates from Balikan University and watchmates na rin every Friday. Balikan Bears makikihuha na dahil kasama naman natin Joao and Carissa this time, aka Lee and Naih of Kids Into Her. Hi there guys, good morning!
Hello! Good morning everyone!
Hindi ko siya kayang pantayan.
Ano ba? Pang intramural games yon.
Ako naman, when I first found out that I was working with Carissa, honestly, I didn't know her back then. Like, I just knew she was fresh face from a PBB. So when I first met her sa mga workshops at yung ano tawag doon? Yung press con natin, yun. First press con, doon ko siya nakilala. And then I was surprised because she was so talkative. And she's really talkative and she's very outspoken because that's who she is talaga. So natutuwa ako. And then sooner or later, once I read the script, parang na-realize ko, that's why they picked her because it's really her personality and it's just who she is talaga. At bagay na bagay talaga sa kanya.
Ay, akala ko at bagay na bagay kami. Sa kanya pala yung role. Parang hindi naka-prepare si Carissa doon. How about you? Lumaki yung mata ni Carissa eh.
Ate, ikaw talaga.
Ikaw naman, girl. Ano yung first impression mo kang Joao? When you guys first met?
Nung first ko po na nalaman, kasi sinabi ko muna sa akin before ko po siya ma-meet. So, nung first ko po nalalaman, uy, ano ba kayo? Hindi ako to, hindi ako si Zu. Feeling ko po ang ganda. Hindi, seryoso, kasi po si Joe, di ba? Matagal na siyang artista. So, feeling ko po, parang, uy, ganun ba?
So, hindi naman ako matagal na artista.
Mas nauna ka sa akin. Ganon.
Huwag kayong mag-away dito, guys.
Ang yun talaga mag-usap actually. Parang ito yung mga bangayan, mga kaMORkada na nakakakilig talaga sa Kids Into Her, ni Naih at ni Lee for sure. Ang hinahanap mo sa isang girlfriend?
Well, what I'm looking for is a lady who is mature, who is humble, and who's very understanding. Because yun yung talaga hinahanap ko. Dahil nandito ako sa industriya na to, I want someone who's very understanding despite my job, despite what I'm doing, and who I'm with. Ganun talaga.
Napainom ng tubig si Carissa.
Na-discuss na.
Kaloka ka, Carissa. Talagang ikaw nga si Naih. Hindi, kasi nanonood talaga kami ng His Inter. Talagang nakikita ko talaga si Naih in you.